Steps of metallurgy. Before we understand the steps being involved in the process of metallurgy, we have to understand certain terms. First one is minerals. The naturally occurring chemical substances in the earth crust which are obtained by mining, we call it as minerals. Then ores. The rocky material which contain sufficient quantity of minerals so that the metal can be extracted profitably or economically, then we call the term as ores. Next we have gangue or matrix. Impurities which is associated with ores are called as gangue, or the term being used is matrix. Then the most important, what is metallurgy? The entire scientific and technological process which is being used for the isolation of the metals from its ores is known as metallurgy. So what are all the process being involved, or what are all the steps being involved in extracting the metal, then isolating the impure metal from the ore, and finally purify the metal are: first step is called as concentration of the ore. Second, conversion of concentrated ore to oxide. Next, reduction of oxide to metal. And last, refining of metal. So now first let us see the concentration of the ore. What is concentration of the ore, or what is being done in concentration of the ore? So here the process of removal of unwanted materials like sand, clay, rocks, etc. from the ore, we call it as concentration of the ore. So we could also say the removal of unwanted earthy and siliceous impurities from the ore is called as ore dressing, or we could say concentration of the ore. And the process which is being used for concentrating an ore, we call it as beneficiation process. Hence, concentration of the ore can be achieved by two methods. It is physical method and chemical method. So, what are all the process, or what are all the methods is being used in physical method? Physical method uses hand picking, hydraulic washing, electromagnetic separation and froth flotation process. So in hand picking, the name itself signify that it is used in case when the impurities are quite distinct from the ore, so that these may be differentiated by naked eye. So the process of hand picking could be used only when the impurities are distinct from the ore. Second method is hydraulic washing, or it is also called as levitation or gravity separation. This method of separation is based on the difference in the specific gravities of the gangue particles and the ore particles. The third method is electromagnetic separation. That is, when one component, either the ore or impurity, is magnetic in nature, then this method can be used for separation. Fourth one is froth flotation process. This method is used for the concentration of sulfide ores. And the methods which we are using for concentration in chemical methods are leaching and extraction. Leaching involves the treatment of the ore with a suitable reagent which will make it soluble while impurities remain insoluble. Then the ore is being recovered from the solution by suitable chemical methods. And extraction is the process which is used to obtain metal in free state from concentrated ore. Then we call it as method of extraction or concentrated ore is being obtained. So extraction process is being used to obtain metal in free state from concentrated ore. So that term we call it as extraction. Then second step of metallurgy is conversion of the ore into its oxide. So it is easier to reduce oxide than sulfide or carbonate ore. Therefore, the given ore should be converted into its oxide by any of the method. Like roasting, it is a process in which the ore will be heated in a regular supply of air at a temperature below the melting point of the metal so as to convert the given ore into its oxide ore. And then sulfide ores are converted into oxide by roasting. So it is also being used to remove impurities as volatile oxides. And the second method which is being used is calcination. Calcination is the process in which the ores of the metal is being heated to high temperature in the absence or limited supply of air or oxygen. And basically carbonate ores are converted into its oxide by roasting, and it is also used to remove moisture and volatile impurities. Then the calcination refers to its most prominent use, which is to remove carbon from limestone through combustion to yield calcium oxide. We could consider this as an example where CaCO3 will give CaO plus CO2. Calcium oxide is a crucial ingredient in modern cement and is also used as chemical flux in smelting. And the third step of metallurgy is reduction of oxide to metal. That is, the process of converting metal oxide into metal, we call it as reduction, and it needs a suitable reducing agent depending upon the reactivity or reducing power of the metal. So the common reducing agent which is being used are carbon or carbon monoxide or any other metals like aluminium, magnesium, etc., which is being used as a reducing agent. The last step of metallurgy is refining. The metals obtained by the application of the reduction methods from concentration ores are usually impure. So the impure metal is thus it is being subjected to some purifying process which we call it as refining. Or in order to remove the undesired impurities, we use the method refining. Various processes for this which is being used are liquefaction process, distillation process, cupellation, Pauling, electrolytic refining or bessemerization. So the different process or different methods of refining depends on the type of the ore or the type of the metal which we are trying to purify. So the basic steps for the metallurgy is 4 and it is very important.